Welcome to Enthusiast Autohaus and our 1985 Porsche 928S. This example has a clean title, 69,000 miles. It's one of 73 Japanese market 85s with a 32-valve V8. It runs and drives excellent. It's great looking Grand Prix White over a black leather interior with Porsche-script inserts on all of the seats. All of the gauges work properly. We can see just under 70,000 miles there. HVAC controls, aftermarket radio all work. Windows and stuff all work. Door cards are in good shape. Headliner's in good shape. Has the rear sun visors. Obviously the front sun visors. All very nice and tidy. New tires all around. It had a full timing belt service back in 2021. It's a great example at a great price.